Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Insight Vlog. This is your host. Today I am introducing an exciting Android customizing feature on your Android phone. It's look like a unique design or unique system of your Android devices. Let's check it out. First, go to Play Store from your Android device. Then write on search bar ROLLINGICON rolling icon. Then download and install this application rolling icons app and photo. Then tap on install. After install these apps, then open this. Attention, agree and go ahead. Please read privacy and policy, then agree, go ahead. Then first time I am starting without any customization. Just tap on start and go again, agree and go ahead. Then allow. Yes. Now your all icon are rolling now. If you want to edit, if you want to any icon edit or create image emoji, you can do it. Just go to F icon and select which icon you want to see on your display. Just tick. I am tick 25 icons of the apps. Then go back. If you want to change photo icon, you can do it. Just go photo icon and go your gallery, select your photos. If you want to create emoji icon, go to emoji and select anyone. Or if you want to replace your F icon to emoji icon, then click link icon on emoji and go to your apps, then OK. I am replace YouTube icon to love icon, then go and start it. This love icon I was making YouTube. Yes, YouTube have love icon. And if you want to change wallpaper or etc, set wallpaper, or you want to go setting for icon smaller, larger and other, enable flood button, enable wallpaper touch, etc etc. And if you want to use this is a lancer, you can do and make it a lancer. How is this apps icon rolling? Please write a comment on comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you. Tata.